grade 4 maths. Just give me one sec. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so hope you all are good. Let's. So here is the grade 4 maths. So the chapter is patterns and sequences. These are the four lessons. First one is make a repeating pattern. Second is find the next row in growing pattern of shapes. These are all four. Complete an increasing number pattern and complete our geometric number patterns. Okay, so here we're gonna discuss all these four lessons today. Now let's move to the just my voice is clear. Maybe wait, let me check my mic. Okay, so here, so this is your chapter pattern and sequences, and these are the lessons. Lesson 3, that is making a repeating pattern. Let's start over this. So these are the different shapes. So we just check, are these shapes make a pattern? What does it mean? It means that sometimes the pattern is circle and then square. Sometimes the pattern is square then triangle. Okay, like look like that way. Sometimes the patterns may be in the form of these are the squares. Okay, then here are the circles in the middles. Like here are the circles are in the middle. So this create a pattern. Like how it's create a pattern? Look at here: circle, then square, then circle, then square, then circle and square. So this create a one kind of pattern. Okay, and if you let's do a question. Start from the question one. Use the shapes to make an A B pattern. Here and B is your square. Okay, I'm gonna use these shapes and to make this pattern here. So repeat the two shapes to continue the AB pattern. First, which shape you're gonna put it here? Circle, then square, just like that way. Here I'm going to put a circle, then after circle, it's square. Again, it's circle, then it's square. Oh, it's not a square. This one, it's square. Okay, then it's circle, then here comes a square, then circle, then after circle it's a square, then circle, and then a square. So this will create a one pattern, and this will create an AB shape of your pattern. Look at here, this one, circle, square, then circle, square. Okay, like this way. Now use the shape to make the AB pattern. Now here are the two different shapes. Like we are using here the circle and square. This one is circle and that one is the square. Now we are using the triangle and the square. Like first shape is in the triangle, then it comes in square, then again triangle, then it comes in square. Okay, then again a triangle, then a square, then a triangle and a square. So this will also create a one kind of pattern. Like what's the pattern of that? Its pattern is and square. Then here is squares, and here are all, sorry, here are all triangles. Got it? It also create a one kind of pattern because here T comes after one S and S comes after one T. S shows the square here, T shows the triangle here. This also create a one kind of pattern. Okay, okay, let's do the next. Use the shape to make an AB pattern. Now, first look. First pattern is circle with the square. Then here is square with the triangle. And now the third pattern is circle with the triangle. Okay, let's do that one. Then again circle, then again triangle. Then what's come next? Yes, yes, hurry up, tell me. Yeah, it's circle and then it's a square, basically a triangle. In this way you just need to create a pattern, and these are the shapes to create a pattern one by one, all of it. This is the triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Okay, let's do the test for that, because this is so easy, that's why we're going to do the test. Look at here, tell me what's the pattern for that. Check, here is square and triangle, then square. Option A, first of all, in the option A it's square, then triangle, then triangle, then square, then triangle, then square, then triangle, then square, and then triangle. This is right. But let's check why the option B is wrong. Because here is the square, then triangle, then square, then triangle, then square, then triangle, then again triangle. Because here is no square. Then square and square. Look, it's create a pattern. No, because two numbers are same here. Look, basically two shapes are same here. Triangle with triangle and square with square. So this is not right. The first option A is your right answer. Then you click over there, and then that's it. Let's do one more question. For that, use the shapes to make an AB pattern. Now again is triangle and square. Then again square. Is it right? Just tell me the part A is right. No. Why? Because here look, there are two squares at the same row first. So this is not right. Let's check the part B. First triangle, then square, triangle, then square, triangle, then square, triangle, then square, triangle, then square. Yes, that is right, because here shows a complete pattern, one after one. Okay. Okay, these are all the same things. So you just solve it by using this method. Just check the patterns. Okay. Now let's move to the chapter 4. Find the next row in the growing patterns of the shapes. This third chapter. Okay, now we move to the find the next row in the growing pattern of the shapes. This one. Now we're gonna move on that one. Okay, find the next row in the growing patterns of the shapes. All right, let's do that one. Here is again some basically figures, some pictures, and then we just check and find out what the next pattern. That's it. It's not too much. First of all, I'm going to tell you how to create this thing. For example, here is circle, and then here is one triangle. There is first row. Here are two circles, then it's one triangle. Again, now here are three circles, and then it comes a triangle. What's the next row? Are you guys telling me what's the next row? Yes, think about it. Because first row there is one circle, and one triangle. Second row, circle is increased, two circle, but triangle is not increased, same. Third row, again circle is increased, but triangle is still the same. So in the fourth row, again circles are increased, okay, and number of triangles are still same. So in that row, how much circle? There are three circles and one one triangle. Okay, now let's do this thing. What row comes next in the pattern? One square, one triangle. In the second row, number of square is increased or number of triangle is increased? Yes, think about it. Yeah, number of square is increased. Then in the third row, again more number of squares are increased. And in the fourth row, how much number of squares? It's four of squares. Now in the fifth row, what it becomes? Here is in the fifth row. Here is in the fifth row. We just need to we just need to put wait. I'm going to sketch this. So here is one, two, three, four squares and one triangle. So what it becomes? It means that is one, two, three, four squares, one triangle. So here it becomes five basically squares and one triangles because number of squares are increased. In the first row it one, then in the second row it's two, in the third row it's three, fourth row it's four, now in the fifth row it's five. Okay, let's check this one. What row comes next in the pattern? Okay, you think about it and then tell me what row comes after next pattern. Look here, here is square, then triangle, one square. Which number of square is increased or number of triangle is increased? Obviously number of square is increased here. It is 2. So in the first row it 1, in the second row it's 2, in the third row it's 3, and in the fourth row it's 4. So in the fifth row obviously it's 5. And number of triangles are still same. In all the row number of triangles are same. Look, 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, look at here. Here is answer 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's it. Okay, let's check this pattern. What row comes next in the pattern? Circle, then triangle. One circle, one triangle in the first row. In the second row, number of circle increase, number of triangles are same. Third row, again number of circles increase, number of triangles are same. In the fourth row, again number of circles are increased, and how much increase? 1 1 increase. Okay, like 1 1 increment. First row it's 1, second row it's 2, third row it's 3, fourth row it's 4, now 5, fifth row it's 5. But the number of triangles are same, that is 1. Okay, that's it. Let's do the test for that because this is so easy. Now look at here. What row comes next in the pattern? One circle and one triangle, two circle, one triangle, three circle, one triangle, four circle, one triangle. Now how much circle? Check it. In the first box, here is circle. Second box, two circle. Third box, three circle. Fourth box, four circle. Fifth box, five circle and one triangle. Check it. In which row or in which option is five circle and only one triangle? Check it. In the option A, here are how much circle? One, two, three, four, five. Five circle and one triangle. That is right. And why the option B is wrong, also just check that thing, because here are four circle and two triangle, but we know that if we follow the pattern, so option A is right. Okay, let's do one more question. What row comes next in the pattern? Same thing. Think about it. One circle, one triangle. Sorry, not triangle. Here is a square. In the first row, both have same number. Now we just check which have greater. Circle is increase or square is increase. Now here the squares are not increased. These are the same number. Only the circles are increased by adding one. Okay. So now I'm going to add it one. So in the second row there are two circles and one square. But in the third row there are three circles and one square. And in the fourth row there are four circle and one square. And in the fifth row there are five circles and one square. So which option is right? Which have a five circle and one square? Let's check. One, two, three, four. In the option A, four circle and two square. That is wrong because only one square. Let's check option B. One, two, three, four. Four circle and one square. This is right. Okay. All right. This is the question. What row comes next in the pattern? So after the remaining question, you solve it. These are all same questions. We have already. You check it. How much square and how much triangles are there? If there are number of squares are increased, so number of triangles are same from the start. Okay, let's get back and discuss the next. Complete making pattern is done. Find the next row and the growing pattern of shapes is done. Next is this one. Complete an increasing number pattern. Let's check, is that a lesson? Yes, complete an this one. This time we are going to discuss this thing. Complete an increasing number pattern. Okay. Okay, let's start. Wait, my screen got stuck. The next number in the sequence. First, we write the sequence 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Here are the numbers. First, we check which pattern these numbers follow. Like here is 1, here is 3, then it's 6, then it's 10, then it's 15. So we think about it. Are these number added with some numbers? Are multiple of some numbers? Are these number of divisible of some numbers, or are these number are basically minus or subtraction of some numbers? Look at here, it's 1. For example, when we write the table of, let's multiply first. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 3 is no, there is no, because there is 10. So what we do? We check it here like this way. Here is 1. So which number you gonna, it becomes 3. 1 plus 2. Answer is 3. Now take your answer. 3 plus. After 2, what's the next number? It's 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. This is 6. Take your answer. And after 3, what's the next number? It's 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. This is also right. Now look at here. Take the answer. And after 4, what's the next number? It's 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Take the answer. plus after 5 what's the next number? It's 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. It means that the mixed next number is 21. Let's get check. Yes, it's 21. Okay, let's check the next pattern. These are all same. Okay, 1 to 7. Wait, let me write. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, 22, 16 and 22. Let's get check. Are these number addition of someone? Here is 1. Start with the 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Get your answer. Add with after 1, what's the next? It's 2. 2 plus 2, it's 4. Yes, these both are right. Take the answer. Then here is 1, 2. What's after 2? It's 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. That is also right. Here is 7. Take the answer. After 3, what's the next number? Think about it. Yeah, just text me. Think about it. What's the next? It's 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Yeah, good. This is right. Now here is 11. This is your answer. Plus, what's the next number? Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. Now 16. After 5, what's the next number? What's the next number after 5? Think about it, you guys. You have 1 minute. Which number I gonna put it here? Then I got the answer 22, 6. Now take this 22. Add with what's the next number I'm going to put it here? That is 7. 22 plus 7 is 29, and that is the missing number. Okay, I'm going to repeat this question. Here are the different numbers like 1, 2, 1, 11, 16, and 22. We're going to find a pattern first and then also write the next number. So for checking the pattern, we are using different methods. Like sometimes we subtract some number, sometimes we added some number, sometimes we multiply, sometimes we divide. But in that case, in all of it, previous question and in that question, we are using the addition thing. Simply just write your counting 1 to up to any number that you want to write. Then add with these numbers. And for the next term, we're gonna add the this previous. Okay, let's discuss the next. Okay, okay, then again 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. What's the next number? Okay, is there any subtraction here? No, because the number are increased. If there is decreasing pattern, just discuss that here is subtraction. But if here is increasing pattern, it means that here is addition. Like how we know like it's increasing or decreasing, because here it increase the number. First 3, then 6, then 10, then 15, more than. So here is 1. 1 plus 2. Answer is 3. Put 3 here. After 2, what's the next? It's 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Take the answer. 2, 3 here is 4. Sorry, add it. 6 plus 4 is 10. Take your answer now again. 10 plus, what's the next number? Think about it and then tell me. What's the next number we're gonna put? That is 5. 10 is 15. Here we're gonna write 15 plus 6. That is 21. 21 plus, what's the next? After 6, it's 7. That is 28. Here is 28 plus, after 7, what's the next number? It's 8. 28 plus 8 is, here is 36. Got it? Here is the missing number. That's it. So here is the pattern. We check it. So the next number is 36. Okay, now let's do a test. Hmm. Type the in the sequence. I think so. We have already done this question. 1 7 added which number? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. And 22 plus 7 is 29. Hope so. The answer is right. Yeah, that's it. Okay, 1 3 6 10 15. We already done this thing. Mm, where we gonna 1 3 6 10 15. Next number is 21. Let's write. Yeah, that is here. Okay, let's do it this. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 6. That is 22. Count it. 16 plus 6. 21 or 22? Think about it. Tell me. Alright. 22. Okay, now the remaining question you solve it by yourself. Now let's do the last lesson for that. Complete a geometric number pattern. Is that lesson complete a geometric number pattern? Okay, this one, last one, we're gonna write it now. Mm, yeah, maybe it's this one. Complete a geometric number pattern. Now we're gonna discuss that. What is the meaning of geometric? First of all, geometric means sometimes is multiply. Okay, like here are the numbers 1 2 4, missing number 16. Okay, anyone that, okay, any of you guys tell me like which number we're gonna put it here, or okay, that's it. You only just tell me one thing, like which pattern here we follow. Is there any addition? Is there any subtraction? Is there any multiplication? I also gave you the hint. It's also a multiplication. But which table and which like numbers? Check it. No? Okay. Simply multiply 1 with 2. Answer is this 2. 2 with 2, answer of this 4. 4 with 2, answer of 8. 8 with 2, answer of 16. 1 time 2 is 2, 2 time 2 is 4, 4 time 2 is 8, 8 time 2 is 16. There is a pattern. So the pattern here they follow is multiplication by the table of 2. So here we got the our answer, that is, let's do the next. Look at here. Here is 13927. 13927, and here is the missing part. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 9. 3 times 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9, sorry. Just multiple numbers with 3. 27 times 3 is, let's check. Here is 27 times 3. 3 times 7 is 1. That is 21. So we're gonna put it right side digit here and left side digit goes as a carry. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 7. So here is the answer, 71. Okay, let's do the next. Am I going wrong? Something like it's 8 here. 81. Okay, let's write the next pattern. 1 3 box 2781. Okay, now you guys any idea about that question? Any number that in which number we can like we're gonna add, because subtraction is impossible. Why? I already told you. Here are the greatest numbers, so when you subtract it, the numbers becomes lower. But here are greatest number like 3, like 27, like 81, like 243. So 3 times 3 is 1 here, then 1 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 26. 3 times 3 is 28. 3 times 3 is 29. 3 times 3 is 30. 3 times 3 is 31. 3 times 3 is 32. 3 times 3 is 33. 3 times 3 is 34. 3 times 3 is 35. 3 times 3 is 36. 3 times 3 is 37. 3 times 3 is 38. 3 times 3 is 39. 3 times 3 is 40. 3 times 3 is 41. 3 times 3 is 42. 3 times 3 is 43. 3 times 3 is 44. 3 times 3 is 45. 3 times 3 is 46. 3 times 3 is 47. 3 times 3 is 48. 3 times 3 is 49. 3 times 3 is 50. 3 times 3 is 51. 3 times 3 is 52. 3 times 3 is 53. 3 times 3 is 54. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 is 243. Again, table of 3. Just number 3, multiply all of it, and then we got our answer. Okay, let's do next. Mm, wait, let me check. These questions you guys solve it by yourself. Yeah, question first one. Sorry about that. And yeah, let's move next. Okay, here are the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8. Here is the box. Check it. Which pattern we follow here? Yeah, you guys check it. Then tell me which pattern we follow here. Just simply multiplication. By which number? Table of 2. Only number with 2. Like, one time 2, 2 time 2, 4 with times 2, 8 with times 2. 1 time 2 is 2, right? 2 time 2 is 4, right? 4 time 2 is 8, right? 8 time 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. This is also right. This is the pattern that here we follow. Okay, let's do the next one more. Mm, okay, let's do the test. One or two question related to test. We already know. Let's. This is exactly we have done now. 2 time 1 is 2, 2 time 2 is 4, 4 time 2 is 8, 8 time 2 is 16, 16 time 2 is 32. Okay. Type the missing number in the sequence. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 times 3 is, we already solved this question, that is 81. Yeah, we have already done this part as well. Yeah, okay. Now look at this question. 1, 2, 4, missing number, and 16. Let's solve it. 1, 2, 4, missing number, and 16. So which pattern we follow here? Let's think about it, and then we write our answer. Which pattern you follow here? Is there anyone to answer it? Think about it. We also follow the same pattern like multiplication or division. something we just added or subtract. Here is the addition. Because subtraction is not possible, again digits are increased. Multiplication or addition, these two options are available now, because there is no division and there is no like subtraction here. That's why I'm asking only two options. You guys it and like which pattern they follow, because here is two numbers are increased, and these are increased by positively, not like is there not any even, like basically odd or like this kind of numbers. All numbers are even numbers here. So here is 2. So one time 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, and that is the pattern. Got it? This is the pattern we follow here. That is 8. Let's check, is that right? Yeah, it's right. Okay, you guys solve this question by yourself now. And one is 3. I gave you the hint. Just simply multiplication of 3. When we see the question, then these are so right. Our ideas are so right. Like just simply multiplication, and there are tables for 3, tables of 2, and all that thing. So here 3 times 3 is 3 times 2 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 4, sorry, 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 is, I don't know, 81 times 3 is 243. That is the answer. Just multiply by all numbers with 3. That's it. And this is the pattern that they follow. Let's check our answer is right or wrong. Yeah, that's it. This is right. Okay, all right, you guys. I think so. This question is so easy. And solve this question by yourself. All the remaining test questions by yourself now. Okay, so you guys please make sure before the next session you guys can do all the rest of the questions or any kind of query, any kind of problems. Then you just contact any tutors on the Skype, and if you need more help with any of the lesson, any of the chapters, then you also contact the tutors on the Skype, that these are available on Monday to Friday 5 to 9 p.m. So hope you guys understand all the lessons, all the chapters. But if you still any query, then you contact the tutors on the Skype. All right, so have a good day now. Bye.